How to use Claude AI in VS Code. In this video, we will discuss how you can integrate your Claude AI in VS Code right here. First thing you need to do is make sure to open your VS Code, and then from in there you should be able to see in here your left sidebar. You can see in here several buttons. What we can do is we can click onto this last one, which is the extensions. Click on this and make sure to actually open this one right here. Click onto this search and search in here for client. Once you have searched for this, you should be able to see in here some search results related to your search. So here's our client. Do take note that you need to integrate or install the one that is actually verified, which is this first one. Click onto this install and click onto this trust publisher and install. This will install the actual client into your workspace. So wait for this to be added. Once it's done, you can see right here that we have client. Next thing we need to do is we need to head over and then actually edit it. Just click onto this manage option. And you can also click onto this gear icon right here in order to open the same thing. Click onto the settings and it will open in here the settings for your client. From in there, you can also edit it. You can see a new button right here onto the left. Just head over and click on it and you can see in here client. So what we can do in this case is we can actually set up client altogether. You can get started for free or you can use your own API key. If you're new here, you can also use your own API key. You can just sign up for Anthropo. So click onto this API provider, click onto this Anthropic, and from in there, let's head over right here to our browser and go to console.anthropic.com. Now you should be able to see this. Now click on this Get API Key option and you can start building. Alternatively, you can also head over right here to your sidebar and you can go over to your settings. Just click on your name and you can see in here your individual org. Now alternatively, you can also go over and type in here settings. Now from there, you should be able to open in here the actual console and you can see in here your available API keys. Now what you can do in this case is click on the this create key option, choose in here the default workspace that you want to add it, and then name your key. Actual VS Code. Click onto this add and you can see in your key, copy that because you won't be able to see that again. Now head over right here to your VS Code, enter in here the API key and click onto this let's go. And then after you have done that, as you can see, we can now use Claude and you can just send in here some tasks that you want to send them and ask them some things and the likes. So that's how you use Claude AI in VS Code. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.